Hey, it's Neha. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am making chicken curry. So let's get started. So let's start by frying our chicken, but first let me heat up some oil. Once your chicken's fried, put it in a new bowl. So in this bowl I have blended onions, garlic, and ginger. So I'm just going to put that in the same pan that I fried up the chicken. So fry this mixture a little bit and don't worry about the chicken that's left in here. After about 2 minutes of frying the onions, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of curry powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric, half a tablespoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and just add a little bit of water. So I added in about 1 cup of water. And now I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, and this just cuts down on the color of the turmeric. Now to this sauce, let's add in our salt and pepper. Let's add in our chicken. So I have some semi-boiled potatoes and I'm just going to add it in with my chicken curry. So I like the semi-boiled potatoes just so that when I'm adding the potatoes here, it's just going to fully cook with the curry and the spices. So while this is still boiling, add in your curry leaves. So just keep turning this and let it simmer, let it cook. I did put in about 2 cups of water in this, and it totally just depends on how saucy you like your chicken curry. So just let this simmer for a little bit, turn down the heat, and then the chicken, the potatoes, everything is just going to soak in all that spices. This is it. This is my version of the chicken curry. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, the like button, and the notification to see my newest videos. Thank you so much for watching.